Oh, okay. And this is the drunken repair of a 2009 MacBook.
Seems to be getting much too hot. Let's take it apart.
It's far too hot for its britches.
It has a burning in its lines. It's not good. Not good for a computer.
Nah. It's difficult to relieve when it doesn't have the proper orifices.
I spilled my beer.
Oh.
Can't have alcohol abuse for doing drunken computer repair.
Oh, God forbid.
That's sacrilege.
Yeah, spilling beer is definitely alcohol abuse.
Well, your screwdriver suffered the fate of mine.
Oh, that's the first time that's happened with that.
Oh, it's not surprising.
It's you, it's your karma.
And it's just jammed in there. It's not even glued.
Oh. Well, crazy glue's in the drawer beside you.
Go ahead. I kind of like it like this right now.
Oh, okay.
It's working.
Acquiring tiny little pieces into the ball.
Oh, that one I already took out. So, open sesame. Why is this not open?
You don't know yet.
Open sesame.
You are the expert. You says then it didn't do's. Ah, there we go.
Connection might not be connected.
Which connection?
And this one here, second one in.
Ah.
That one was pushed up after Mac East repaired it. It was fucking broken up out of place, and I pushed it back in, but I might not have got it all the way in.
Ah.
Then I'll push in. Let's move. What's in there?
Actually, I disconnected and checked the edges of it. Make sure that the connector is still good.
It's not right. Yeah, it's not the right spot there. There we go. It's a little better. Let's give it a try.
Okay, let's flash it without the cover on.
Just so I can turn her on with the PowerPoint. There we go.
Ah, we have fan.
Interesting. It must have been just loose.
Okay, should we end this?
Might as well.
Okay, press black button.
Yep.